IELTS speaking tip. Many students worry too much about grammar for speaking parts 2 and 3. But it's more important to worry about the quality of your answer. And the best way to improve the quality is by adding detail. Take this question, for example. Describe your best friend and say when you met them. Here's a short answer. I met my best friend at school when I was 12 years old. Here's a more detailed answer. I met my best friend at school when I was 12 years old. So we've known each other for 18 years. I remember we sat next to each other during my first science class in high school. And we had to do an experiment together. We got along right away and we've been best friends ever since. Notice that by using more details in your answers, you can also use more vocabulary and better grammar.